Hey, pick that up. Pick it up.
The same, but I used to work here.
I don't care. Pick that up.
I will not, in your privilege, you white or whatever you are.
Deputies responded to a disturbance involving an intoxicated individual outside a restaurant in Lady Lake.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm great. I was the owner.
What you doing? What's going on? What's going on?
What's going on? I walked in to ask to speak to the owner. The owner's not here right now.
Okay.
I'm an ex-disgruntled employee.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So you wanted to talk about your job?
No, I wanted to talk to the owner, yes. This guy who just walked in, he was trying to figure out some of the same configurations.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, they want you to leave, all right?
They want me to leave?
Yeah. You gotta leave.
All right, what y'all gonna do? Throw me out?
No, just leave.
I can't just leave.
You have to leave.
Where am I gonna go, sir?
You have to leave.
All right,
Do you have ID on you?
yeah, I'm sure do.
Can I see it, please?
You're not asking to?
91 Papa.
Am I doing what?
I said, you're not asking.
Asking what?
Right? See my ID, correct?
I'm asking.
Another deputy or ass.
No, you're asking, yes. I've seen him at least 4 to 5 times today.
Yeah, he works in the area.
Yeah, he does. Right around this building. So, here's my shit.
Where do you live? You live here in the
Brooklyn
building?
Park. No, I used to work here. I worked here and...
Okay, where's your ID?
You have your ID? You pulled out a debit card.
Yeah, I did.
Where's your ID card?
Fuck, I
How
don't
do
know.
we do this? What's your name?
Jamie?
Jamie.
Mother?
Ain't no sense of screaming.
Well, you just asked me to, sir.
I hate that. Bingham? I guess I'm gonna...
Jamie motherfucking... Alright, welcome to John.
What's the date of birth?
Hey, let's go outside. Let's...
There you go.
Investigators say deputies were called about a disorderly person causing a scene outside a local business during the evening hours. Authorities say the situation involved a woman who was reportedly yelling and refusing to comply with instructions from deputies. She was later identified as 33-year-old Janie.
What's the birthday? What's your date of birth, Janie?
Pick that up.
Pick that up.
January.
Pick it up. Okay. Dig yourself a hole.
Hey, pick that up.
I got hog-tied in Lake County last night.
Pick it up.
The same, but I used to work here.
I don't care. Pick that up.
I will not.
No? Okay. All right. Go ahead and get her date of birth and all that.
Tell Kirk Douglas it was Janie Lynn motherfucking Bingham who did it.
6-5-10-29 p.m.
My mom left me here on my fucking birthday. And I used to work here.
You're going to pick up your trash.
I'm not picking up any trash. Anybody else here does not can do that by themselves.
Good.
I think it's 54, 1029 p. I'm getting no record out of Florida.
Wow.
26. 54? Appears to be no record out of Florida. But I mean, I'm just going off. Hey, bud, you got your ID?
I wasn't expecting this. I didn't bring my wallet with me.
Yeah, I'll tell you. I need somebody. Yeah.
Sorry.
Awesome. Thank y'all.
I want to be serious about fucking everything. I threw my eyelashes in the tip jar in
That's
there.
not my problem.
It's not your problem. But it was somebody like me's problem at one point in time. Not yours.
Nope.
It was mine at one point in time.
Nope.
No, because you're better than that shit.
Yep.
Yeah.
I don't throw my eyelashes in the tip jar.
An establishment and saying you're better than that.
No, I just don't throw my eyelashes in the tip jar. That's all.
No. And normally, I won't have the busboy be helping the server
Okay.
who has 2 kids
Okay.
in a tip jar.
Okay.
But you know what? We're out here.
Yep.
Yes, and you're privileged, you white or whatever you are. I don't care what you are, but you're some kind of.
I do. I do.
So get rid of me. My kids won't care, right? My children won't care.
You're
right?
gonna get out of my face is what's about to happen.
I'm right
Let me
here.
tell you something. That's what we're not gonna do. You understand?
Today last night. I took A last night, you dumb boy. Go back to New York. Go back to wherever the you're from.
Florida born and raised, baby.
Same, bitch. 727.
Police say deputies attempted to speak with the woman outside the restaurant, but her behavior escalated as they tried to detain her. Authorities say deputies reported being kicked and struck while attempting to place her in restraints, and one deputy said they were spat on during the encounter.
727.
Clean her up there.
Leave me up, cause I don't know. 727. Where you from? Tell me. You want me gone? Tell me. I got 2 girls. Tell me.
SO1.
Tell me.
Don't kick me.
I'm kicking you when I make it go. You better pick me the fuck up.
You got a hobble?
Too late.
Y'all tied me last night. Fuck off. You little boy bitch.
Turn your radios down.
Yep.
You little boy bitch. Am I Amy's or am I Jesse's? Find the out.
Let me see your foot.
I'm goddamn fucking trying to learn. I'm so tired of trying to fucking learn. I'm Amy's or Jesse's fucking girl. Fuck off. Yo, fuck the off. I'm so goddamn tired. I'm being tired. I really can't be. I'm the one that's allowed to be tired, ma'am. Hey, you, look at me. Look at me in my eyes. No, Kendall. You Chinese fucking Kendall, don't do it for her.
You catch another charge. You understand that?
Yes,
You
I
better
do.
chill out.
Yes, I do fucking understand. Do you understand me? I understand. Do you?
She did have cards down in the front.
Do you? Because
I'm trying.
Yep.
I will turn both ways. I'll leave both sides.
Face her.
I just ate
Face her.
some shit last night. You asked me. Yeah, take it out. That's perfume for my mama, for my grandma, for them all. Where's my daughters, you dumb You dumb You want to Yeah, do it because I'm white said so. Do it because I'm white said so.
That's how you spell her name.
15, that Leo. 10-4. Trying to 10-48.
Where's my bags?
Got clothes on her?
Yeah. She's still got something in her bra. Come on, man. I ain't got time to be answering this. Hello? She just spit in my face. Yes. She tried to kick Kelly. We took her to the ground. After she got into my face and she lunged at me, went, took her to the ground, cuffed her, got her here. I'm searching her, and she kicked Kelly from what he just said, and then she just, when I was searching her front and her bra, she just spit in my face.
She kicked you too.
It's next to my mouth. You're gonna stay right there.
Joey, go ahead.
Oh, shake it for
Gonna need a hobble. 10-4.
Country girl, shake it for me, girl.
to jail.
Let me go! Shit!
You get to jail, you can get out.
I am jail to get out! Shit, that's the same shit that fucking...
Yeah, but you just ain't gonna have no bond, so you might stay there for a while.
That was the same thing as 2 years ago!
Oh, no.
Fucking get smart!
You want this back on?
Shit!
Here you go.
Yeah, it was smart too, bitch.
Signal 14, that's 20. You know record count.
Play something more original than your own fucking self.
Yeah,
You wanna come and say, yeah, okay, do something more original than your fucking self. Fuck! That's all we asking. That's all me and her fucking child are asking. Do something more original than your fucking self. Shit! We can't keep taking this shit! God damn, Roxanne! Yeah, you wanna keep on? Go ahead. That's around my neck. That's somebody else's child around my neck. That's fine.
These are at court. These are the ones that go under the door.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop taking this off. So you know.
Fuck you. Fuck you! Fuck you!
Watch your head.
Later, officers arrested Janie, 33. She was charged with 2 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting without violence, disorderly intoxication. Investigators say the incident began as a call about an intoxicated person causing a disturbance, but escalated into a physical confrontation with multiple deputies during attempts to detain and search her. Authorities say she was eventually restrained and taken to the county jail, where bond was set at $12,000. Records show Janie has prior convictions involving battery and a previous case of battery on a law enforcement officer. Officials say the case will proceed through the court system as the investigation remains documented in arrest reports.